A multi-day deluge of rainfall across the southern U.S. created dangerous and life-threatening flooding in parts of Texas, Louisiana, and Mississippi. More than a month's worth of rain fell in several Texas and Louisiana cities in one day, including Baton Rouge. A flash flood emergency was issued in Mandeville, Louisiana, with the National Weather Service urging people to seek higher ground. More than 14 inches of rain fell in Texas, and a few Texas cities picked up nearly double what's typical for January. Parts of the UK and Ireland have been battered by a second storm in just 3 days, named Jocelyn, bringing fresh travel disruption and high winds. Strong winds disrupted efforts to restore power to premises after power outages caused by Storm Isha, leaving about 30,000 homes and businesses without electricity. Flights have been cancelled to and from London Heathrow Airport, as well as several flights at Dublin Airport, while in Scotland, rail services have been severely impacted, with almost all trains halted for many hours. Torrential rain that lasted about 2 hours caused several areas of the city of Ipoh, in the state of Perak, to be hit by flash floods, almost completely submerging vehicles in water on some streets and affecting some businesses. 36 citizens were trapped in the flooded area and had to be rescued. Amid the emergency that several Colombian departments are experiencing due to forest fires, a new out-of-control blaze broke out in the municipality of Nemocon, highly concerning residents due to its proximity to houses. Efforts to control the fires have seen the deployment of the Colombian army and volunteers who are clearing unburned brush to prevent further spread. However, the challenge persists, with some hotspots reigniting at night due to high winds and altitude. Heavy snowfall blanketed the city of Tabriz, the capital of East Azerbaijan province, in northwest Iran, over the past few days. The snowfall led to unprecedented transportation disruptions, blocks of the main and secondary roads of the city, and heavy traffic on many streets. Tropical cyclone Kirali made landfall between Townsville and Ingham, in Queensland, as a Category 2 cyclone, on the Australian scale, with wind gusts up to 170 km per hour, or 105 miles per hour. A significant consequence of the cyclone's passage is the widespread power outage, affecting approximately 50,000 homes and businesses. The damage to trees, branches, and power lines, along with minor damage to property and infrastructure, has been reported. A major snowstorm battered the southwest corner of Iceland, reducing visibility in many places, which led to traffic chaos and at least 30 traffic accidents. A number of central neighborhoods of Reykjavik experienced blackouts due to a high-voltage breakdown, while at the same time, motorists braved the storm with little help from malfunctioning traffic lights. Foggy driving conditions along the Glen Highway in Anchorage, Alaska, contributed to a massive pileup that closed the busy roadway for several hours. 37 vehicles were involved in the collision near Reflections Lake during the dense fog, which limited visibility to one car length. As a result, 13 people were taken to a local hospital with injuries. More torrential rains battered the Malaysian peninsula, leading to severe flooding in Terengganu, Kelantan, Pahang, and Johor states. Houses were flooded to the roofs, while 39 roads were closed due to floods, and bridges were damaged. About 3,430 people were evacuated to 46 temporary evacuation centers. Residents in different regions of Florianopolis recorded a huge waterspout that occurred in the sea off the Santinho beach. There were also reports that in addition to the waterspout that day, the city recorded heavy rain, which left some beach neighborhoods flooded. Intense downpours that have fallen on Pekanbaru city, in Riau province, for the last 3 days, have resulted in an overflow of Sale and Batak rivers, leaving residential settlements on river banks submerged.
Filauan air sekitar 2 meter. Kami menghimbau agar kendaraan tidak melewati.
Thank you for watching, everyone. Special thank you to my stunning patrons, Hagop Sargisian, Michael Joseph Wilhelm, Dave and Alanna, web designer Ganesh Vad, John and Claire Heath, Adam Gareth and April, and of course Leslie Sales. Thank you very much, guys.